you'd love me more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But the more you love me, the more I get bored. I wish you were obsessed. Yeah. But then once you are, that's when I say next.
All right, so this is Lush Verb. We have 3 different modes. Canyon is going to be more of a very clean, big, lush reverb. This is my favorite. Cathedral adds some really cool harmonics, so you're actually getting an octave and 2 octaves below, and an octave and 2 octaves above. Inferno is a little bit more of an effect. You may like it for your main reverb. I personally only use it on very special moments of the song, but this is a saturated reverb. Now, there is a secret Easter egg here because as you can see, the UI is very simple. We only have hue, brighter, neutral, darker. This is just a simple tilt EQ to brighten or darken your reverb. You have your mix knob. I like to keep mine at 100 and then I control it with a send fader. And then expanse is our decay time, and this is lush only, lush reverb. So the minimum decay time you can have is 5 seconds, and this goes all the way up to 30 seconds. I like to keep mine around 11 seconds, and you'll see that if you change these different modes, I have it pre-programmed to my favorite settings, so you can just use my settings or you can tweak it how you like. The secret is if you were to automate this reverb, you actually have control over how much distortion is on Inferno. So that is a big secret, and you'd have to control it by using the automation in your DAW. So let's listen to Lush Verb, and I am going to start with Canyon. I do have kind of a modest setting on my reverb, but I'm going to turn this up to exaggerate it a little more just so you can really hear the tone of it.
I wish you'd love me more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But the more you love me, the more I get bored. I wish you were obsessed. Yeah. But then once you are, that's when I say next.
Lovely. Let's listen to Cathedral so you can hear those harmonics.
I wish you'd love me more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But the more you love me, the more I get bored. I wish you were obsessed. Yeah. But then once you are, that's when I say next.
Beautiful. It's a really clean shimmer. Let's try Inferno.
I wish you'd love me more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But the more you love me, the more I get bored. I wish you were obsessed. Yeah. But then once you are, that's when I say next.
Just a little bit of heat on that, right? So that is Lush Verb, beautiful modern vocal reverb.